Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi. Our group are going to present about sorting the students by course marks using bubble sort. Okay, next. My name is Siti Khadijah binti Ismail, and I'm going to talk about the header file and implementation file later. For header file, we name as a student list.h. In header file, we consists of object declaration and class declaration. In object declaration, the object we name as stud, the short form for student, and have string name, string metric number, string subject, and integer course marks. For class declaration, we name as student list, have access specifiers of private and public. For private, we have integer size and student list. For public, that can be accessed by other member of the class. We have constructor and destructor of student list, void display, void sort, bool search, void get record, and void add. Okay, for implementation file, we name as main.cpp. It has method definition of display. The object declaration is using the scope resolution operator because the function definition is defined outside of the class. If size is equal to 0, the output will show the empty list. And then if the integer in I is equal to 0 and less than size, the output will show the name, metric number, subject, and course marks of the student. And next, for the method definition of sorting using bubble sort, the stud temp we have to have somewhere to store value temporarily to do a swapping. We have outer loop and inner loop. Outer loop will control number of passes through the array, and inner loop will going to do passes by themselves and swapping the elements. For int j, it has to be one ahead from list I, because as we can see there, int j is equal to I plus 1. So list of I of course marks must be less than list of j course mark, because we will arrange the course marks decreasingly. We will assign a temp to whatever value of I, and the list of j will be put into the list of I if list of I is less than list of j. That's all.
Assalamualaikum. My name is BMMW3843. Today I will explain about method definition search, or well known as looping process. So in this process, student or the user or student, they need to insert the metric number so that after he insert the metric number, he can see the output. So let's say his metric number 376. So the program will start looping until the 376 is found. So then he can get the output. So let's say if the student insert the wrong metric number, which is the metric number is not in the system. So when the system start looping, so the 375 cannot be found because it's not in the system. So the looping will fail. So he cannot see the output. So next. So next is method definition, get record. So for this, the output will pop up as inserted input. The inserted input is such as a name, metric number, subject, and last course mark. Next. So for this is method definition add, or we call it array. So in this array, it have a size of 1000. So student only can insert data around 999. they cannot go beyond 999. So if they go beyond that, so the record list is full. So in the array, it consists a name, metric number, subject, and last a course mark. So that's all from me. Next.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Auni Daini binti Muhammad Farhan. Today I would like to present implementation file for creating object and student list class and case 1, case 2. Creating object and student list class in source.cpp. Okay, the class for student list is my list, and then have integer choice, the string, name, metric number, subject, output, choice. We will insert the choice. Case 1, see, the output is add record, name, and then we insert the name. And then the output is metric number. We see in metric number, and next the output is course marks. The output is display record. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Wano Fatihah Najwa binti Wazamri, and I will present about the case 3 and 4. In the case 3 or main menu option, the system will out the search record, and we will key in the metric number, and the system will search the metric number, and if the record are not in the system, the system will show not found. Case 4 or main choice 4, the system will sort the student by course mark. The output will show the list of course mark to student by decreasing the mark. Output will display. The coding beside show that the main menu option for the output as show as in the slide. Output at record of student is the output show if the choice menu is 1, and display record of student is the output of the choice number. Search record of student, main menu number 3, and sort student by course mark, choice 4, and choice 5 is the exit form. That's all.